Natasha, a recruiter here at Atlas MedStaff. And as you can see, this is not Lexi, but today we have Ashley Renee, a client manager here at Atlas, and we're gonna make Drunken Peanut Butter Cups today. So,
sounds good.
Yes, I'm excited to make these. They look awesome. So for these, there's a little bit of prep work that goes into it. So first off, what you guys are gonna need to do is over the night before you make these, you wanna do 1 cup of vodka and then half a cup of Reese's Pieces and mix them in a mason jar and cover it. You gotta make sure you seal it, otherwise the vodka will evaporate. So make sure you seal it, let it sit in your fridge overnight, and then...
It looks disgusting. I mean, let's be honest.
Yeah, it
There's
looks like
chunks on the bottom.
So you need to do this the night before you're gonna make these drinks. And then the other prep work, if you wanna be really festive, is to make your glass look like this. So just dip your glass, they say 1/4 cup of peanut butter, but I guess you can just eyeball it.
Yeah.
Smash up Reese's Pieces and dip it in there. And you have a pretty festive glass. So Ashley, let's get started making this drink.
I'm ready.
All right. So first off, 3 ounces of your infused vodka. So we're gonna do 2 shots. And also, Ashley, we are very messy, so we spill often on this show. Now 3 ounces of milk. So again, 2 shots.
Oh boy, it's running in there.
Oh boy.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
And then 2 ounces of chocolate liqueur. It's like a mini champagne bottle. So Ashley, what are your guys' favorite holiday traditions for Thanksgiving? We always watch the Macy's Day Parade. That is like my ultimate favorite one. And then that night we decorate for Christmas.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know that we really have a tradition for Thanksgiving.
Just eat good food?
Yeah.
There you go. You can't beat that.
Maybe some card games.
Yes, that's always fun.
Wine.
Okay. Well, do you want to shake it or me?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay.
I have actually never done this.
There you go. So you give it a good shake. Yeah. There we go. And also too, I almost forgot this step. You want to drizzle about a tablespoon, teaspoon, tablespoon in the bottom of each glass. So drizzle some of that.
Oh, you should do some on the sides and make it really, really fun. Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Ta-da.
Fancy.
And then now,
Are you ready?
yep. Let's say pour it halfway. There we go.
It smells really good. Well, folks, that's it.
We'll just do this.
Okay.
Well, geez, that doesn't make much.
No,
We're a little stingy on the alcohol then. And then you want to garnish it with a Reese's cup.
Wow. This is impressive.
Ta-da! And there is your Drunken Peanut Butter Cup. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see how this is. That's, oh, good. You definitely get the vodka kick, but
It's definitely made of vodka.
yeah. But I like the little snack you get too before you drink.
Yeah.
And we do have some, since I love the Macy's Day Parade for Thanksgiving, we have some awesome parades for you guys to check out for Thanksgiving around the country. And first one, of course, the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York City, New York. HEB Thanksgiving Day Parade in Houston, Texas. Chicago Thanksgiving Day Parade in Chicago, Illinois. Novant Health Thanksgiving Day Parade in Charlotte, North Carolina. And my Macy's Holiday Parade, not to be confused with Macy's, in Seattle, Washington. So if you guys go to any of those, send us pictures. We'd love to see it. And cheers and happy Thanksgiving.
Cheers.